Just so you're aware, he was microwaving something. I opened it. It's no longer going. Because he's being a dick. His meal is open right now. It's called karma, bitch. We'll see his reaction right now. Sorry, I'm in right now. Maybe a little longer. Okay, how about now? I have a meme sound. I have a meme sound, and I like it. It's funny. It's a good meme sound. I saw it in that. It's called Soundboard. I was playing with myself. Yeah, little horsey, keep on galloping. Wait for me. Good. Nay. Nay for me. Nay, little horsey, my little pony, my little Princess Peach. Oink, oink. Oh, hell nah. Soggy?
Soggy hair.
I think
Soggy hair.
if I got out of the shower, it would be soggy.
Soggy hair. Naked blanket.
I am very clearly not naked.
You're naked.
Do I look naked? However, that is one thing I know he would see in his dreams, is my naked body. It's something he's always wanted to see. Maybe he's never gonna see it though, okay?
You wanted to show me that. You're naked in a blanket whenever you go to sleep, right?
I did want to show him that one rock in the corner right there.
Have a blanket over your freaking naked body.
I did want to show him those rocks on the wall over there. He is right about that one. There is like a bunch of chalk there we used to do in the past.
Nay.
English.
You speak English perfectly and fluently.
I don't think my hair's soggy. I don't think my hair's soggy. It'd be soggy if I just got out of the shower, but I didn't, so. Him, on the other hand, he scratches his butt crack in the shower and shit. I'm gonna throw this away just to make him suspicious. I'm doing it again. Grab the damn cord.
Naked bod! Naked bod!
See, guys, I told you. I told you he'd come out if I tried to throw it away.
Naked bod.
A human eating human food. This is the man that discovered food.
But you're the only one who can convince them.